Let us discuss a topic on multiple and submultiple of angles. First, it is the Unit 3, Chapter 2. Okay. Here first we can define how we can define the multiple angles and submultiple angles. Multiple means let A be the angle. Okay. Let A be the angle. We can take multiple of that angle with the positive integer, then A, 2A, 3A, so on are called multiple angles. If we can multiply with the positive integer, then we can say that angles are multiple angles. Okay. Submultiples means let A be the angle when we can take the multiple with the fraction, that is half, 1/3, 1/4. So that angles are called submultiple angles. Submultiple angles. Multiple angles means we can multiply. Submultiple angle means we divide with the positive integers. Such type of the angles are said to be the multiple and submultiple angles. In this, we can discuss some important formulas. If we remember those formulas, then we can easy to do the problems, related problems. The first formula is sine of 2a. Sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. How we can get this one? Just we can use the sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Here 2a can be written as a plus a, that is equal to 2a. In this, just you can replace b is equal to a sine a cos a plus cos a sine a, that becomes 2 sine a cos a. The second one, cos of 2a, it is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. It is also from cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Here also taking a equal to b cos 2a, it is equal to cos a into cos a is cos square a minus sine a into sine a is sine square a. And we know the identity. What is the identity? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. From this, we can write it as cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and also sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Just so you can replace here, in the place of cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta, then it is 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And in the place of sine square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta, minus into minus plus, then it becomes 2 cos square theta minus 1. The cos 2a is related with the cos and sine, only cos. Okay. Third one is tan of 2a. It is equal to, again we can recall the formula of tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here just we can take in the place of a equal to a, b equal to a, then that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Like this. These are the standard formulas. Then cot 2a, sec 2a, cosec 2a, those are also in rare cases, but the same way we can define. But the standard formulas are sine, cos, tan we can define, and we can take the one more cot of also. This is the thing. And if the 2a means we can take AA. Similarly, submultiples. Submultiples means these are the multiple formulas. Submultiple means sine a by 2. Sine a. The sine a is equal to, here 2a is there. The right side we will get the a. Here a is there. The same way it is 2 sine of a by 2 cos of a by 2. We can take half. Here double is there, in this we can take half. Here also a is there, in that we can take half. In the same way, second one is cos a is equal to cos square of a by 2 minus sine square of a by 2, or 1 minus 2 sine square of a by 2. It is a, here also a only, equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Third one is tan a. Tan a equal to 2 tan of a by 2 by 1 minus tan square of a by 2. These are the basic formulas. And in the similar way, for it is the multiple and submultiple of a and a by 2. Next, multiple of sine 3a. Here also we can take 2a plus a by using of same 2a plus a, that is equal to 3a. So 2a is equal to, we can take b and substitute in the basic form. After the simplification, we are getting 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Second one is cos of 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Third one is tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. These formulas we can use in the problems. Okay. From this, we can write it as we want the sine cube formula, means this is taking to left side, that is sine cube a, 4 is the division, 4 sine cube a equal to 3 sine a minus sine 3a by 4. Here also cos cube a equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. Like this we can calculate, or if we want sine cube a, means by for using of the sine 3a formula, we can reduce to sine cube a equal to 3 sine a minus sine 3a by 4, cos cube a equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. These are also used in the between of the problems. Now let us discuss some problems on multiples and submultiples. Exercise. In this part A, the first problem is, if sine alpha equal to 4 by 5, find the value of sine 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha. Second one is if sin A equal to 3 by 5, find, in that the first one is sin 2A into cos 2A. Second one is sin 3A. Here, just we can recall the formulas. Sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. If they are asking in which angle, then we can use that angle only. And cos 2 alpha equal to, we can use cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, or 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, or 2 cos square alpha minus 1. This is the cos 2 alpha formula. Next, in the second one, B is sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. These formulas are involved in this problem. First, what they have given, sin alpha equal to 4 by 5 is the first one. By using of the right angle triangle, we can find out the cos alpha, or another way we can find out by using the identity also. What is that identity? We know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. From this, we can write it as cos square alpha equal to 1 minus sin square alpha. It is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square equal to 1 minus 16 by 25, taking the LCM 25. 25 minus 16 equal to 9 by 25. So cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Either we use the identity or Pythagoras theorem, whatever we use, and we can find out the another ratio. If we know the sin alpha and cos alpha, then simply we can substitute in the formula. What is that? Sin 2 alpha. That is sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. It is equal to 2 sin alpha is 4 by 5. Cos alpha is 3 by 5. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 5 5s are 25. So, sin 2 alpha equal to 24 by 25. And one more thing, what they are asking, cos 2 alpha. If we know the sin alpha, just we can substitute in the form of 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into 4 by 5 whole square equal to 1 minus 2 into 16 by 25, taking the LCM 25 minus 32 by 25, it is equal to minus 7 by 25. So from this, sin 2 alpha is equal to 24 by 25 and cos 2 alpha equal to minus 7 by 25. And one more thing, you can use this also. Sin square alpha minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha means 3 3s are 9 by 25 minus sin square alpha means 16 by 25. It is also minus 7 by 25. Whatever the formula you can use, you are getting the same value only. It is the first problem. The second problem is sin alpha equal to sin A equal to 3 by 5. We can find out cos 2A, sin 2A, sin 3A. Sin A equal to 3 by 5. Again using the identity cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. From this, cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Then cos square A equal to 1 minus 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 9 by 25 equal to 16 by 25. From this, cos A is equal to 4 by 5. We know the cos A and sin A value. We can find out sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. It is equal to 2 sin A is 3 by 5, cos A is 4 by 5 equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 by 25. So sin 2A equal to 24 by 25. Next to find out the cos 2A. Cos 2A equal to, we are using one more formula, cos square A minus sin square A. It is equal to cos square A value is 16 by 25 minus sin square A is 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. It is equal to 7 by 25. So cos 2A equal to 7 by 25. The first question in that they are asking sin 2A cos 2A. Sin 2A value is 24 by 25. Cos 2A value is 7 by 25. 25, 25 is a 625. 5 4s are 28 to 7 2s are 14, 168. So sin 2A cos 2A equal to 168 by 625. It is the first one. Second one is sin 3A. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A value is 3 by 5 minus 4 sin cube A means 3 by 5 whole cube. It is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 5 minus 4 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. It is equal to 25 multiply taking the LCM. 125 is the LCM. 9 5s are 45, 4 9 2s are 18, 22, 225 minus 7 4s are 28, 2 4 2s are 8 plus 108 equal to 117 by 125. Therefore, sin 3A equal to 117 by 125. It is the solution.